So why choose Remap 101 for your tuning training journey? Well, whether you're just starting off in the industry and you're looking to get into vehicle tuning, you want to start making your own files, maybe it's a bit of economy tuning, performance tuning, or somewhere in between, then remap101.co.uk has the training courses for you to start that journey. Whether you're a beginner, whether you've been in the industry for a little while and count yourself as an intermediate tuner in terms of your capability, or you're an advanced expert tuner who's been in the industry for 20 years, has been tuning standalone ECUs, race cars, offshore powerboats, whatever it is, but you're looking now to improve your knowledge and add extra capability through a range of our training courses, Remap 101 is the place to go to. With our EVC certified courses, our world-leading courses in Stage X, ECM and WinOLS, and of course our IMI certified training courses covering vehicle tuning, there is no better place to go to start your tuning journey, to continue your tuning journey, or to add to that wealth of knowledge that you already have as an industry expert and advanced tuner. In addition to our online courses, they're in wonderful bite-sized chunks, typically about 1 hour, broken down into 15-minute lessons to enable you to fit this in and around your normal day job, to learn at your own pace, in your own time, and give you the ability to revisit those lessons and topics when you need to at any point in the future. We also offer all of this training in our in-person classroom courses. And that's not just in the UK, these are global. We offer training courses all around the world. Multiple locations in the USA. Of course, we're doing training at our Viezu USA headquarters in Salt Lake City, Utah. We've got the massive SEMA show in November where we offer training either side of the show, covering gasoline and diesel training. We also cover training in Texas at Magic Motorsports headquarters, offering Stage X and WinOLS combined training. That is a world first course and an exclusive combining both of those softwares together for an in-depth training course to get the absolute most out of the two pieces of software to enable you as a tuner to offer the widest range of services to your customers. We also have training in the UK. We offer training in Dubai, South Africa and Singapore. So covering all continents virtually around the world with training courses on all of the major pieces of software, ECM, Stage X and the WinOLS software as well. We have a range of courses on Remap 101 where you can see our in-classroom, in-person courses listed under our classroom courses and events. And of course, all of our online courses you can easily browse on the online course tab and filter them based on the software, fuel type or user level. In addition to that, and a complete world's first, we have translated multilingual courses on Remap 101. That's covering 8 additional languages: French, German, Greek, Portuguese, Spanish, Brazilian Portuguese, Arabic and Chinese. These are not subtitled, these are real-time translated videos to enable you to hear, listen and see the topics that we're talking about and follow in real time the training on the screen without being distracted by subtitles at the bottom. This is a world first and is a massive game changer in the tuning industry to enable all tuners from all around the world to take part and participate in our Remap 101 online courses to help you learn the knowledge that you need to further your business and tuning capabilities.